Today we're going to review the Bose SoundLink Mini 2 Special Edition. So I'm going to play few songs from Bose. Before that, I have been using this for almost 2 to 3 weeks since I got hands on. So here's my review. It was so far so good. Like, even at the higher volumes, the clarity is very good, but when it comes to the bass, it gets little bit decreased. For a true bass lover, I don't really suggest this. For a sound clarity and if you want to listen it indoors with a closed room, so I suggest this speaker. So it's small, compact, but it sounds good in indoors. Outdoors, you could put it at 100% volume, but it doesn't sound that great, is what I feel. Other than that, it's really good. Let's play a few songs and check it out.
नहीं दामन मर गया तेरे इश्क नचाया तेरे इश्क नचाया तेरे इश्क नचाया करके थैया थैया चिड़ियों में ओ चिड़ियों में ओ चिड़ियों में तबीबा नहीं दामन मर गया
Play some deep house also. So when it is totally vocal, it sounds very good. When it comes to the bass you can't really feel the punchy bass. I'm not saying it's bad, it's really good, but the punchy kind of bass, it's not there in this Bose SoundLink Mini, if that is what your expectation is. Other than that, it's really good sound wise. And some psychedelic too. I'm not saying for this compact size the sound is really good. It's really like the whole room is filled with the sound, but at the higher volumes the bass is little bit, the bass is getting a little bit decreased, and it could be modernized, it could be better. I found the only speaker with a really good like good, even at the higher volumes the bass is really good, that is Echo Studio. It's Amazon's Echo Studio, and also this one particular model from JBL, that is JBL Extreme 2. These two speakers were like damn good, really good. If you love EDM, psychedelic, any kind of thing, the bass is really good. So one best suggestion is go for SoundLink. I mean not SoundLink. Sorry, it's JBL Extreme 2. That particular model. It's really high selling model, and I really suggest that model. I have used it for almost 6 months. I know you can watch movies, anything, but this particular Bose speaker, it's compact in size, but for this compact, the sound is really good, really damn good, and charging is also was okay. Like at the higher volumes you will get it for 8 or 9 hours. Yeah, I had a lot of reviews saying battery issues, because even with me what happened, oh my god, it's really heavy. So even with the what do you call it, there are some battery issues. I think as of now there is nothing wrong with this product for now, but I had there are a lot of reviews saying Bose SoundLink Mini 2 is having battery issues. So what is the issue is, so even though the battery percentage is at 60%, it's showing in the phone as 60%, but whenever I turn on the Bose speaker, it is saying as 40%. But however, overall a day, if I listen it to at full volumes, it coming around 6 to 8 hours. That's pretty good, I feel. At lower volumes, you could listen to 10 hours. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll do a separate review on Echo 2, I guess. I'll do that video in separate video. Thank you for watching.